let's see the IUPAC names of few amines. The IUPAC format of amine is alkanamine. Alk part represents how many carbons are there in the longest chain. Ane represents carbon-carbon single bond. If there is a carbon-carbon double bond, we can replace this with ene. If there is a carbon-carbon triple bond, we can replace this with ine. Amine stands for the nitrogen compound, either primary, secondary or tertiary amine. In the first example, we see that there is one carbon, so meth, ane, skip the E of methane and add amine. In the next one, we see that there are two carbons, so eth, between carbon and carbon there is single bond, so ane, skip the E and add amine. In the next one, again in a similar fashion, we select the longest carbon chain. The longest carbon chain is 3 carbon in length. This time we need to position the amine, we need to tell the position of amine, because it can have two positions. It can be at carbon 1 or it can be at carbon 2. So therefore 3 carbons we call it as prop, carbon-carbon single bond, so ane, and at 1 the first carbon amine is present. Similarly 3 carbons, so prop, single bond, so ane, at second carbon amine is present. Let's proceed with, these were all examples of primary amine. Let's proceed to secondary amine. A secondary amine, meaning nitrogen is directly attached to 2 carbons. So you can see nitrogen here is attached to 2 carbons. Again the rules are same, select the longest carbon chain. We see that the longest carbon chain is only 1 carbon in length, because nitrogen came in between, disrupting this chain. We should not take these 2 carbons together. So only 1 carbon we have, and hence its name is methenamine. On this methenamine we have a substituent methyl. This methyl is present on nitrogen. Therefore nitrogen is written capital N, N-methyl methenamine. In a similar manner, the longest parent chain here is ethanamine. On this ethanamine there is substituent methyl which is present on nitrogen, hence we call it as N-methyl ethanamine. The last compound here is a tertiary amine. In this tertiary amine, you can see that nitrogen is attached directly to 3 carbons. But when we select the longest chain, it will be only 1 carbon in length, because nitrogen came in between, disrupting the chain. This is methenamine. 2 substituents I see are left over, that is methyl. Both are present on nitrogen. So we call this compound N, dimethyl methenamine. When we see the common names of these compounds, the common name format used is alkyl amine. This is very much similar to ethers, alcohols, etc. we have seen. Alkyl amine, the nitrogen part is amine and the rest of it is written as a prefix as an alkyl group. If we consider this group, this is amine. What else is present? Methyl. So it is called methyl amine. If we consider this as amine, what is left here is ethyl. So ethyl amine. If we consider this as amine, what's left here is propyl, but to be more accurate, it is N-propyl. Note that a lowercase n should be written here and a capital N is written when we want to indicate nitrogen. A lowercase n just indicates a straight chain. normal chain or straight chain. In the next example, also we have propyl, but we see that this is isopropyl CH3, CH, CH3 group. So, isopropyl amine. In the secondary amines, this is the nitrogen attached to 2-methyl group. So, dimethyl amine. This is the amine attached to one side methyl, another side ethyl. Alphabetically written ethyl, methyl, amine. In the last compound, this is the amine attached to methyl, methyl, methyl. So, trimethyl amine.